Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade granola. This was my mom's recipe and she's had this recipe for a long time. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So let's get started with this recipe. First, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Then into a large bowl, add in the rolled oats, almonds that are sliced, slivered, or chopped, or you can use any nuts you like, brown sugar, cinnamon, and salt, and mix them until they're well combined. Then into a separate small bowl, add in the melted butter and honey, and mix them until they're well combined. Add the wet mixture into the dry ingredients and mix it really well until it's well combined and all the oats are coated in the wet mixture. Pour it into an ungreased 9 by 13 inch pan. And bake it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes until it's nicely browned, stirring it every 10 minutes so it's browning evenly. When it's well browned, remove it from the oven and stir it well. Then leave it to cool completely. And you can serve this as a parfait or cereal. And that's how to make homemade granola. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.